Hi, this is Lee from Lee Launches back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create Canva animations. Now this is a video that I've been wanting to make for a while and I'm really excited about bringing you this video. Up until recently, Canva animations were limited to the animations and videos that Canva create for you. So it would simply be that you use one of their templates and you customize it with the animations that they've already made. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can create animations with your own elements, and this is a feature that I found recently when I upgraded to Canva Pro. Now I don't know if I got it because I'm a Canva Pro user or if it's a feature that they recently added on. If you know anything about that, then please feel free to drop that information in the comments below. Now don't worry if you don't have Canva Pro, if you're a free user, just stick along to the end of the video and I will show you how to get access to these exact animations that I've created and this exact template at the end of the video. So I have created a set of animated logo animations that anybody can use to customize their YouTube channel. The way this works is you simply put your elements into your Canva page and you click on the Animate tab. And when you click on the Animate tab, you can change the type of animation by simply just selecting one of these presets. So you've got Stomp, you've got Simple, you've got Rise, which I really like. I really like the neon effect. And what I've done is I've created a different animation style on each of these pages with each of these different color variations and font variations. So this one has Block, this one has Stomp, this one has Scrapbook. And what you can also do is play all these pages as one single animation. So you can go in here, put your elements, select the animation style that you want, and then at the end of it, play all the different pages as one movie file. So I'm going to go and show you how that works by pressing play. So this is showing all the different pages that I've created, all the different animation effects that I've used from page to page. Now what you can do is once you've created all these different pages is download the whole thing as one movie file. So you could download just one page as a single animation, or you can download all the pages as one complete animation, which I think is really useful and exciting. So I just want to quickly show you how you build this animation. So this is my text, this is my graphic. I can also add an element, any element here, and size it. Now when I click animate, Canva will animate all these different elements. So you can see the different elements that I've now added in. So as I said at the beginning of the video, I've also made this as a shareable template. So if you don't have Canva Pro, or if you just want to use these animations that I've created, because I've also added some effects into these for you to use. I've added some extra effects that I created myself. If you would like to use this template, this logo template, and drop your logo in and use it for your own use, you can get access just for the cost of the coffee, and that will really support me and help me make more videos like this. And I hope you found this video useful. I'm planning on making more videos about how to animate with Canva. I make videos like this on my YouTube channel all the time on how to create digital products, how to create animations. So don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time I create a new video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.